This is it! Finally, Nothing has released the official teaser of the Phone 2 that shows us a glimpse of the design as well as solving the mysteries of the cameras. They also confirmed the exact launch date of the Phone 2, so it's gonna get officially announced on July 11th, which is pretty much about a month away from today. As you can see by the teaser, that Phone 2 is indeed bringing the Glyph Design 2.0 along with improved dual camera setup. Some people thought that the last leak was not accurate because of the tweet from the CEO. Well, it's not fake, it is pretty much how we saw this leak from OnLeaks. It was based on the actual factory CAD information, so it was pretty much spot on. The only thing that was off about those renders was the front display, so that is going to be quite clean and minimal in terms of bezels when we look at the actual real phone in flesh when it's out. Other than that, pretty much everything was on the spot, so the Phone 2 is indeed rocking dual camera setup. We don't know the actual sensor information right now. They're gonna reveal things slowly, officially very soon, but the sensors are expected to be proper flagship quality. Also, Nothing confirmed that Phone 2 will officially come with a brand new Nothing OS 2.0. It's made in collaboration between the original Oxygen OS developer and Block Launcher developers, resulting in an incredibly fast, functionally aesthetic, smooth experience for the users. I can't wait to see the new improvements with the Nothing OS 2.0 because I personally have been a big fan of how their UI looks. And let's not forget the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 running the show along with an even bigger battery. The OS 2.0 will be fully jacked. Of course, this will come to the older Phone 1 somewhere down the line. So there we go, the Phone 2's design is not a mystery anymore and it's gonna get officially revealed on July 11th. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.